First question, tell me about yourself.
So my name is Jalal Muhammad. I am originally from Africa, East Africa, and I started working within IT field like more than 10 years ago. And I am kind of a self-taught. And when I moved to the US, I worked for different firms. And my previous role was at Microsoft as a IT field engineer. And my team lead asked me to go to school. He recommended that highly for me to go to school and to get a degree so as to boost my career. And now I am attending Bellevue College doing cloud computing.
How you heard about the position?
Well, I noticed it is posted on the Bellevue College portal, and I noticed the requirements are. I met all the requirements, and I like the job as well, and I have done it before, so I'm so experienced. So I would like to get involved within that role.
Have you worked in a similar environment like tech support at low firm like ours?
Not really, but the beauty about the IT, the server is the server. You know, the applications are the applications. There are some like standard applications, like for the operating system, the Internet Explorers or Internet Navigators like Chrome or Edge, and there are like Office suite like Microsoft Office or Google Docs or Google Sheets. So like 80% or 90% I am aware of because they are like standard. And I'm sure when starting a new position, there is a sort of a training provided. So I'll be able to tackle that issue or solve that issue.
Tell me about achievement you have done above and beyond your job expectation.
So most of time the job expectations they have a service level agreement. Like at Microsoft, when I was working there, we supposed to handle 15 tickets per day. So most of my days I handle more than 20 tickets, and I go beyond that by telling the clients or the customers or the requesters that the cause of the issue and the how to solve it and how to avoid it as well. And I always uh, provide them like with a quick feedback in bullet points, like in a email message or via Teams, or just to let them know about what happened and how to prevent it from happening in the future.
What are the steps you follow to fix a laptop not able to open?
Again, sorry.
What are the steps you follow to fix a laptop not able to open?
Okay, so yeah, uh, to start, I start from the obvious, to check the power if the laptop is able to power on or off. So the first thing I will try putting it on. If it is not, if I fail, then I will check the power outlet. Then I will do um, I suspect the battery. So I do a battery reset, hard battery reset. If I have additional battery, I will replace it. Otherwise, then I will. The next step is to check the RAM, because most of times the defected RAM will prevent the laptop from um, turning on. Then I will move forward, like checking the internal parts of the motherboard as well.
How to configure a wireless network printer to allow all members print remotely.
So first of all, I have to specify the server. I have to specify the domain, and I have to specify specify the range of IP address. Okay, so if the range of IP address is from 10.0.0.1 to 10.0.0.20, I should make the assign the printer an IP address within that scope, and I have to also specify the settings for or modify the settings of the printer to make it discoverable for everybody. Then I have to reach every device and configure the wireless printer for them and assign it as a default printer.
How to join a device to the Active Directory?
Well, to join a device to Active Directory, there are two Active Directories in general. I have dealt with either on-premise Active Directory or Azure Active Directory, which within the cloud. If it is a local Active Directory, I have to hook up the device to the Ethernet, supposed to be physically connected with a wire, and then I need to know the name of the domain, and I need to have a valid user name and password so as to join the device for the to the Active Directory.
What are the common issues of Outlook app and how you usually troubleshoot them?
The common issues with the Outlook are the corrupted profiles, and to fix the corrupted profile, I need to go to the control panel and mail, and from there I have to remove or modify the corrupted profiles. Sometimes I need to go to the C drive, to the app data, and to the Microsoft Outlook, and inside there I have to remove all the files are related to the corrupted profiles. Sometimes online repair might fix the issue. Sometimes quick repair also fix the issue as well.
What is the ticketing system you have used before and what are the pros and cons of it?
I used ServiceNow and I used Zendesk. The beauty of ServiceNow, it can be like integrated with Microsoft products like Teams and Outlook and Excel and Word. So it will be easier for me to exchange the information between Microsoft Office and the ServiceNow.
Thank you. That's the last question.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much.